All right, grade sevens, we're going to take a look at a review of comparing and ordering integers. So we're going to take a look at basically what the value of each integer would look like on a number line. Um, as this diagram indicates, numbers get larger as we move to the right of the number line, and you'll notice, that should be review 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Obviously, 5 is bigger than 1. But when we take a look at negative integers, the further left we go, the smaller they get. Meaning that negative 5 is smaller than negative 2. And if you ever need help thinking about that, just do a quick sketch of this number line while you're doing your questions for homework. So if we were to take a look at our basic number line, just to give you a point of reference, if I wanted to take my 4 and place it on the number line, it would be a positive 4. Just because there's no symbol here, we assume that it has to be positive. So I'm going to take this dot, I'm going to place it over here. 4 is pretty high up there on terms of my number line. Negative 2 is going to be pretty small. Negative 1 is still bigger than negative 2 because it falls just right of my green dot. And positive 2 is bigger than both of those. Okay? So whenever you're doing this, always think of the number line. Taking a look over here, if I have a negative 3 and a positive 3, is it going to be greater than, or is it going to be smaller than? In this case, negative 3 is much smaller than positive 3. And again, always just refer back to your number line. Positive 3, negative 3. Here's a follow-up example. You can try this one on your own. Take a look. You might want to pause the video just to try, and then unpause it when you're ready to check your answer. The correct answer is obviously 12 is greater than positive 3. All right. Again, we're going to do this. You can try this on your own before taking a look at the rest of the video. So pause the video now, and what you're going to do is you're going to put a greater than, a little smaller than, or an equal sign in terms of the numbers. So try that right now. Okay, I'll give you the answers right now. So 5 and 5, those are equal. 5 and negative 3, 5 is bigger than negative 3. Again, refer to your number line. Negative 5 and positive 3. Negative 5 is smaller than positive 3. Negative 8 and negative 3. Again, smaller. Negative 6 is equal to negative 6. 8 and negative 2. So 8 is actually a lot bigger. It's a positive number. Right away, if you have a positive integer and a negative integer, the positive integer is always going to be bigger. In this case, my negative 13, it would fall right of negative 22, meaning that it's bigger than negative 22. 19 is greater than 12, and negative 13 is greater than 19. Okay, so what I'm going to get you to do is, if you want a bit more practice before starting the work, you can pause this video and try and put these numbers in order. All right, that's pretty much the review for section 9.2, ordering integers.